Hello YouTube, back at it again. Yeah, yet again, a beautiful day. And you're glitchy. I wanted to take you with me on this one. I wanted to do some rust repairs. See, I was hammer riding already a little bit of that. Now I'm gonna sandpaper it down a little bit. That one. And I got the right color, so I can touch it up a little bit. So one momento for I'll be right back. Oh guys, I got myself a little bit of sandpaper, about 240. So I grind down a little bit. So guys, hello, here's the voiceover, me speaking Barry Batstra. What I was saying was that I used hammerite to protect the rust after cleaning and sanding, of course, the day before. Now I'm using a 240 grit sandpaper to get it a little bit smooth, and then I'm gonna use the right color to cover it up with a brush. That's the idea. That's the idea. Here you can see me sanding away and taking a good look at the projecto. Spray painted on lacquer. I was questioning myself if I should spray paint it or brush it on. I made my choice for the brush. Like it. But first we have to do some cleaning, of course. So I got myself some brake cleaner to clean it off. Read the instructions properly. Maybe I can paint it over again, fill it up. After sanding. Thank you for doing that. Now we're going to do the other side, so un momento por favor. Yeah, sand it down as good as I could. And I'm going to address that also. This is a little bit, yeah, some sort of paint. Okay, I'm going to get some degrees for un momento por favor. Yeah, so a little bit of brake cleaner, I think. Should be good enough. Well, YouTube, the idea is I got some color in the spray pen, but I think I'm gonna put it in the cap and then brush it on with a brush. So un momento por favor. No, it's the best idea, but I'm gonna put some spray can juice into the cap and see how that works out. Excuse for the wind, probably a lot of wind noise. Un momento por favor. Oh guys, that didn't went that bad. It went okay, but in near sight, or in hindsight, I probably had to use some filler first before I could get it smooth. But yeah, I'm in a hurry, a little bit of HD, and I thought I could do it like this, and I got the color and painted over for the first layer. ASMR painting coming up. Enjoy. Oh yeah, I need more. I forgot already. Un momento, I need more paint. More paint. I needed some more paint. It wasn't quite enough. Without exaggerating, I felt quite artistic here. Un momento, por favor, un momento, por favor. The other side, guys. A little bit left. This side also. Now we are going to the other side with a different point of view. Too bad the camera won't get good focus on this point, and I could have turned the camera a little bit more. My excuses for that, and I hope it comes over a little bit okay. Almost at the end result, you guys. Un momento, por favor. Well, not quite the end. Tomorrow I'm gonna, if the weather allows me to, I'm gonna
paint in the morning.
brush it off and scrub it off. How do we call it? We call it with sandpaper. Sanding it down a little bit more and do another coat. Okay, un momento, por favor. First coat. see, guys, that's where I could use the filler. Okay, we did that, guys, just before it started to rain. I had it inside now. And let it dry, and maybe we do some little bit of, how do you call it in English? Who do we got here? Boomboklad! Hey, well guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next ride. Or in the next fix. Tomorrow, hopefully, or the day after, we're gonna do some welding. Mucho gracias for the MOT. Yes, yes.